Hey guys, so we are here in Japan and we're running low on money. So we saw this little thing that says money exchange. It's actually like a vending machine, so to say. You can put in different currencies and it'll give you Japanese yen. So we're gonna go try it and see if it works with just 100 RMB. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so basically we just put in, it says, gave me the rates for the day, and then I agree, and then I deposit. So we have Chinese renminbi, and it should give me, if I'm lucky, oh, maybe not. Okay, so it's gonna give me 1560 for 1 renminbi, so 100 renminbi, and I'll just say exchange, and then it should spit out some change, and I should also get a bill, hopefully. Oh, whoa! Give it to me in coins, and that's that, and 1,000. Just like that. That's so easy. So the daily exchange rate should be 1 renminbi to 17.2, but it gave me 1 renminbi to 15.2. So it's okay, actually. Cheers.